And welcome to the United States of Ariel. Oh my god, I'm a little bit nervous, girl. I've only been here for like 3 days. I'm still making myself at home here in my little corner of the internet, but I do hope that you stay a while. And speaking of, it will mean the world to me if you would press that subscribe button. I'm gonna try to stick to a schedule of posting on Sundays and Thursdays if I can handle it. Today I'm giving bare face. I'm gonna do a little beauty maintenance on these eyebrows, and I'm using this CeraGo eyebrow lamination kit that I got off of Amazon, and of course I'm gonna go ahead and link that in the description. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. I have the instructions right in front of me because I'm not trying to fry my eyebrows off. But the first step, it says to go in with the eyebrow cleanser and remove any dirt or dust that might be on your eyebrows. So I'm gonna look in the mirror. I'm gonna look in the mirror, but y'all, okay. This little applicator is kind of small, but whatever. I don't think I have any dust or debris in my eyebrows anyway. And I'm gonna take the spoolie that it comes with, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows out. Make sure there's nothing crazy going on. The second step says to apply Vaseline around the skin parts as like a barrier. I don't have Vaseline, I have Aquaphor, so I'm gonna go in with Aquaphor. Okay, so I have my eyebrows all brushed out, the skin's protected. Now I'm gonna go in with the eyebrow lift glue. So it says to apply to the eyebrows, wait 30 seconds, and then comb it with that Y-shaped comb. So I'm gonna work in sections because I'm a little nervous, actually. And y'all, my skin is breaking out, so be gentle. Just gonna fan this for 30 seconds. It didn't even say fan it. I'm gonna just wait for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna go in with this. Actually, I'm gonna go in with it now. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Well, okay. On other videos, they said that it's gonna look crazy when you're doing this at first, but then it starts to look better by the end. So I'm gonna trust that. I'm actually gonna go in with this. I'm gonna just keep going. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit more glue and see if that will work, because I'm already messing up. I'm gonna get this together. I'll be right back. Y'all, the way I just slicked this eyebrow down in 3 seconds, I'm gonna move on to applying the eyebrow lift perm lotion. So this is how it looks. So oh my, perm them brow, girl. You went from not wanting to perm your hair to perm your damn eyebrows. Ain't this something? Let me hurry up and go to the other side. Your eyebrows thick, so cover me in the spirit of the lamination. This eyebrow, it probably just needed a perm to get right, cause baby, she is looking flossy and glossy under there. The brows are cooking. So I'm just gonna take the plastic wrap, going right across. For girls say 10 to 12 minutes. It took me a while, so I'm only do like 8. So it's been enough time. I'm gonna take them off. To remove the perm, and then to apply this eyebrow fixation lotion. Oh my god. Not terrible. Y'all see how she look bone straight? I don't know if that's right for an eyebrow. We're gonna but here we go. It's blue. I have the fixation lotion on, and now I'm gonna cover it with plastic and do another 8 minutes. It's saying 10 to 12, but I'm doing 8, okay? Okay. It's been about 8 minutes with the fixation lotion on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. To remove that, and after you remove that, to go back in with the cleanser to, I'm sure, get all that stuff off. I'm just going to wipe. Oh. And then I'm gonna wipe my eyebrows clean. And I don't feel any like stickiness or anything like that. Lastly, it says to go in with this eyebrow nutrition and then wipe it all together once more before you kind of like style it. So duck. Take a clean one of these and brush it through. Wow, they do look better. Just this thick mama over here, baby. She is, she's a lady. About to just do my little one too. I have wiped everything off. I did a little brushing, tried to do a little cleaning up, and this is the final result. I absolutely love it. Like, for some reason on camera, it don't seem like it's a big difference, but when I look in the mirror, like, I can definitely tell the difference. Other than that, I really, really love the results. The kit was easy to use for the most part, and it comes with 4 uses, but I think you can only do it every 6 weeks. So in 6 weeks, I will be doing this again. But in the meantime, I am gonna go get my eyebrows threaded just so that they can, you know, be a little bit more symmetrical. They definitely give your face that. In the comments, let me know, would you buy it? Would you try it? How do you think these came out? And until the next video, girl, I'll see you later. Bye. Give y'all a little close up before I go. So cute, right?